up everyone? We are getting the VYSS Turbo tunes today. So we ran into a couple problems, started getting tuned and ran into
a few spark issues. It was blowing out spark up top, 10 pound plus the boost. So put some new core packs in, ran a few more earths. We're hoping that's what it is.
We're gonna drop it off, hope for the best. It was running pretty good numbers already.
Yeah, it's running really good. So we're in the high 300s already on 10 pound or so.
Yeah.
Pretty much just want to take it back. Put maybe, I think Jake was hoping maybe 11 PSI in the 400s, low 400s.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll probably call it there. Just put that as a stock piston and rod and ring gap combo on 98. Don't want to push it too hard.
Yeah, so like was it high 300s? If you guys watch the hack shop and watch their car get tuned and stuff, so Jake's dyno actually reads about 15% low. My car made about 205 kilowatts on his dyno, but it really should be more than that. But a dyno is only used for tuning. It's only like a reference, but
Yeah, it's a tool.
it's a tool. But this thing, like even not fully tuned, just puttering around, definitely moves.
It's really awesome, really good combo.
Yeah. But other than that, we haven't had really too many dramas.
Nothing's melted, nothing's caught on fire, no oil leaks, no boost leaks.
Yeah.
Just little stuff, like with the boost controller and the spark. It's, little gremlins with a build like this, I guess. So all in all, it's been pretty good. So yeah, hopefully Jake does his magic today and we'll pick it up in the next few days.
I was expecting to have a lot more gremlins, like things melting and possibly a couple of oil leaks and stuff, because I've never done a turbo conversion on one of these cars before, so it was a new process for both of us. But I think, in the garage with a couple of mates, good numbers, good results, nothing blown up. Yeah.
So we've had really good results so far. And it's been really, considering the conditions and our experience with something like this, we've had a pretty good run so far.
Alright, so hopefully you see it on the dyno real soon. So we've made it to Jake's. We're about to put some boots over the leads and we found out one of the boots had a little split in it. We just had to go to a local supplier and go quickly fix that. We don't think that was the issue. Like when I was getting tunes last time, it was fine. So yeah, fix that and get the car on.
A few moments later.
So we're strapping it down here. You look a bit nervous, mate. Huh? Good? So we're just going to let Jake do his thing, we'll come back and hopefully still intact. Hopefully.
The next day.
We are here at Tune Tech. Car's all done. Hey Jake, so you're pretty happy with all the results?
Came up good, nice and safe and made some good power, so see how much it does in a minute.
So nothing really went wrong this time?
No, not this time. No, all smooth sailing. We fixed up the spark issues we had last time and it seems really strong.
Is that pretty rare in tuning scene? For like a home garage build to come?
Yeah.
Nice. So So surely you're nervous for this run? Yeah.
More nervous. Why shooting? I mean, I let it shoot.
He says it's safe. That? Holy shit! 409 kilowatt. That's ridiculous. Yeah. I'm 98. That's some real numbers. Is that the best pull yet? 409? It seemed like pretty clean the entire pull.
Spark regard will show up with a red line here.
Yeah.
No spark regard. White line is our target fueling, and blue line is our actual fueling. So we run a spark.
Yeah, yeah. So all happy days. Right. Well, you reckon Sean happy with that? 409 kilowatt. That's a lot of power. What was that, like 12 PSI?
A few moments later.
12? Beauty.
Sounds all the one of these. Oh god, I put this together.
Anyway.
Follow the recipe.
Follow the recipe. Follow Jake's menu. I was full concerned, like dangers to manifold and everything. Kind of serious. So what's both of these lines are?
Squiggly lines. They're just squiggly lines.
Yeah.
Don't pay much attention to them. The main ones we'll look at will be your power.
Yeah.
This top one. And this is your boost pressure.
Yeah.
And your homemade manifold. You control the pressure really well. So we don't get any boost spikes or anything like that.
Bloody yo.
That's really good.
No, that's really good. I can't believe how flat that is. Like that line across there.
Yeah. Manifold design. So yeah, that's a 12 pound. We're not pushing the bottom end too hard at peak torque. So it sort of just helps it live a little bit. And then, I don't know, if you went at 85, push that probably another 100 kilowatts.
Another 100 on this.
Yeah.
Wow. Cool. Can you imagine this with another 100?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, there's no knock retard anyway, but we can put a few more degrees of timing in it. And at this point, it's responding really well to timing. So it means it's not at MBT yet, where it's going to make its peak torque. So.
What was the limiter set at?
Well, I'll put it at 6.3 because it drops off after a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sort of stops making, so there's no point in having it past there. I tried, put a little bit of timing up top to see if it wanted, but it just didn't make a difference. So.
Better keep it safe then.
Yeah, probably reach the limit of something. Stop ending with a cam in. On 98.
Yeah. It's pretty wild. Yeah.
Stock head, stock valves. They'll just rebuild the seat.
Alright, so the car's being picked up and Sean's about to go do some stuff at work. But yeah, we're going to do a driving review later. And yeah, should be good. Anyway, so Sean's got to run to work. We can't do a driving test right now. It's just ran into a couple things with, life and shit. It kind of just happens. So, time for me to go home. I'll do a couple of things. And yeah, hopefully we'll do a driving review on it real soon. But yeah, he's absolutely stoked with the results. Like, yeah, some serious numbers. 15% on that, it equals to about 470 real kilowatt. So I'm gonna try and suss it up with my old boss, Simon at ProMaz Automotive. See if we can get it onto the hub dyno, see what it runs up onto that. Because Jake's still got to get the dyno calibrated. Like, he's just starting out his own business. Like, he's got plenty of experience with, you know, everyone else, subcontracting to everyone else. Like, yeah, he's not a dumb man. Like I've kind of grown up around cars, so has Sean, and every time we go there, we're just like dumbfounded. It's like, yeah. So hopefully we get onto the hub dyno, and yeah, see how we go from there.